Yeah, it's more money, man. Young Blast, man. Okay, yeah. I just gotta clear my thoughts, it's like I'm always on the clock. I know they don't want me to shine, but I'm heading to the top. Yeah, I'm heading to the top. Yeah. I just gotta clear my mind. I'm similar to Jay, the way your boy stay on his grind. Feel like I'm in the future cause I'm ahead of my time. Don't like to waste time, so I push a hard line. Keep a rollie on my right wrist just to make sure I shine. You niggas is behind, cause I've been on that low shit and fiend Renos for months. Pulling up in stolen whips, not to be glorified, but Cuddy or bro, I live this shit. I can't shake it, so I guess I gotta explain it. It's like a picture, the way your boy painted. I used to buy 50s and 100 pops from Big Marshall, Lil Boo. On Killingsworth by Vernon School, that's where I made my loot. I got a little money, traded my Subaru for a white coupe. At 16, I'm doing shit that you oldest can't do. My style is tinted and y'all niggas is see-through. In a fast lane with my Cuddies and my big bro in the passenger. Listen and pay attention, cause it'll capture ya. Yeah, I just gotta clear my thoughts, it's like I'm always on the clock. I know they don't want me to shine, but I'm heading to the top. Yeah, I'm heading to the top. Yeah, I'm heading to the top. Niggas be like, more money, why you rap so serious? It's real niggas in the field, and this shit be serious. Got real niggas doing time, and it's ill period. Just wanna be able to roam without my thumper. Nowadays a nigga get too close to your bumper. Niggas is bustin' in the discussion with no bustin' and leave you leaning like you won't tussin'. In these streets it ain't the same no more. Niggas that take your life for ghetto stripes. When we all in searching paradise, niggas is shady, take a look at my life. I lost several friends to this life and its stripes, but I still move nice like a parolee on the vice. Cold days and long nights, just had to get right cause I was risking my life daily. Now these suckers wanna play me, but I'm not a PlayStation. Just in this game getting paid, so I had to be patient.
I trap all damn day through my prepaid. A young boss, I take the tab at the Kincaids. I spit heavy, real sharp like a big blade. A big bang, mom's last terrorist. You don't gotta ask, blast known in them areas where them dirt poor penny pinchers wanna bury us. Nefarious, welcome to the nightmare. 2 times in the devil's eyes, I just stared and came back 8 times like I ain't scared. Just prepared to flame and scream, fuck y'all. I run with goons, baboons, and outlaws. Making house calls, yeah, we the top dogs. I'm a cross, I got blue blood pit balls. Above laws, niggas hit high spots. I call the mayor if the feds hit my spot. I'm a legend that are living like Tupac.
I just gotta clear my thoughts, it's like I'm always on the clock. I know they don't want me to shine, but I'm heading to the top. Yeah, I'm heading to the top. Yeah.